Hi everybody, welcome to Mark's Crystal Tutorials. So I hope that you've been enjoying my last few tutorials. I always have a lot of pleasure to share everything. So today I was inspired to talk about pyramids. And as you know, throughout history, through thousands of years, many ancient cultures have been using pyramids in their architecture and in their symbols, in their writing, as one of the most potent 3D sacred geometry shapes to channel energy. So the incredible thing about pyramids is that they are normally made up of four three-sided triangles. Yes? So your three, number one is your love, your wisdom, and your power. It can be used also in your Holy Trinity. When you have four of those, 4 times 3 is your 12, is your master number. So those Egyptians, they were obviously onto something, right? Your master number of 12 is, so your triangle is a third-eye doorway. When you've got 4 of them, you have a very potent master number of cosmic order and perfection. So remember that 12 leads to cosmic order and divine original perfection. Then that is all grounded through the base of the pyramid, a 4-sided square, which is connected to earth, grounding, and an ultimate embodiment of higher energies. So it's an absolutely perfect form. Of course, when it comes in crystal or stones that have a quartz content, the amplification of that is amazing. So I often use pyramids not only to play around with feeling the amplification of energy, but you can grab your pyramid, place your hand above it, start to feel, move your hand up and down, and you'll start to feel a gentle pressure on your palm, which is the concentration of the crystal energy into a beam of light, and you'll feel it on your palm. Even people who are not sensitive to crystal energy can normally always feel it. Your Shungite pyramids, oh my god, one of the most powerful pyramids I've ever come across, even more so than your clear quartz. Don't ask me why, it is just amazing. So you can use your pyramids. So I like to hold them and I like to imagine I'm stepping inside of a pyramid. Pyramids have been used in energy work to create protection around your auric field. But not only protection, but to help you channel higher energies and to make sure that you ground it safely and easily. So it's great to imagine that you step inside of a pyramid before any kind of energy work as well. When it comes to pyramids, another incredible thing is that when you actually place them together and you get this amazing diamond shape. Now, this takes your work to a whole new level of understanding. You can use these beautiful ones, and it comes naturally in your fluorite, and these are stunning, is that they actually create a vehicle, an interdimensional vehicle to travel. So if you're doing long distance healing, you can place your client in one of these and yourself. And trust me, the effect and the connection of dissolving barriers of time and space, you will definitely feel that amplified. and it will also allow you to travel through other dimensions, journeying work. And if you put this diamond shape around you, it will just make your travels easier, smoother, and you will come back not bringing anything unwanted with you. So it's a really good tool to have. These, when it comes to pyramids, use your imagination, use your play. They can obviously help you tap into ancient cultures, Mayans, Egyptians, but pyramids are actually all over the planet. So it can help you tap into information of the earth, ancient civilizations, and I love them. I use them quite often. And that's just a sneak peek into pyramids, and enjoy playing, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.